Mark here from Pondworks. Just thought I'd do a little recap on our recent trip to Hervey Bay. We build custom waterfalls, ponds and water features, and of course we also maintain and service them as well. We cover the whole of southeast Queensland, including the Hervey Bay region. So if your pond needs a clean, by all means get in touch and let's see what we can do for you. In the meantime, have a look at what we discovered along the way. Have a look at this. This pond, this is actually an above ground ecosystem pond we built almost 2 years ago now, and it is quite literally looking like an aquarium in here. We've got various plants. There's ambelias growing, some strictors, water wisteria, some ocelot swords. The list goes on, and this is just true. There's lots of mollies and platies swimming around in here. And look, it's like looking into an aquarium. Absolutely fantastic. We've got our wetland filter over here. We're actually going to clean this out today. There's a beautiful colocasia growing here on the side as well, and this water is absolutely pristine. So yeah, very nice pond. So as I say, this is an above ground pond. It was built with a hardwood sleeper construction. So, and we've got about probably 600 millimeters of water depth down the back here. It's actually got a tapered bottom in it. So yeah, but coming up on 2 years old and looking fabulous. So yeah.
Enormous, instantaneous.
So we also serviced a few other ponds in the Hervey Bay region and took the opportunity to visit Reef World while we were here. Now, Reef World was first built in 1979 as a public aquarium and houses quite a host of local marine specimens and animals, along with a few freshwater turtles that we did happen to encounter in there. So it is naturally lit and also fed via ocean water. They've got a pump system out there that runs the water through and circulates through the tanks. They also double up as a turtle sanctuary for rehabilitation of turtles, and currently at the time that we were there had 3 turtles in captivity, one of which was an exhibit first brought in back in 1980. And of course that is Sam, and he is believed to be somewhere in the vicinity of 60 years old. So magnificent turtle and very friendly as well. And also discovered that there's an excellent opportunity for education there as well. So they've got a lot of coral exoskeletons on display that you can handle to sort of see what the base of the corals are made up of, and along with a lot of exoskeletons from crayfish or even a coconut crab, various other marine organisms, and a touch tank to go with it as well for the younger ones, full of starfish and urchins and the likes. Okay, so now let's sit back and have a bit of a tour of the aquariums up here at Reef World in Hervey Bay. And yeah, next time you're up in this neck of the woods, pay it a visit and come and check out all their collection of marine and freshwater organisms. All right, that's it from us, guys. Have a fantastic day. Hope you really liked some content of something a bit different. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, hit that bell button, get those notifications happening. Let's catch you all on the next one. Have a great day. Cheers.